Welcome to our channel. How to set up Range XTD Wi-Fi extender via access point. In this video, you'll learn to set up Range XTD Wi-Fi extender via access point (AP) mode. Follow the simple steps given to complete the setup and extend your network's coverage. First of all, unbox your Range XTD extender. Inside the package, you'll find the extender unit, an EU plug, a US plug, a quick installation guide, and an RJ45 cable. Connect one end of the RJ45 cable to the WAN port of the Range XTD extender and the other end to the LAN 1 port of your router. Now, set the mode selector button on the Range XTD to the access point (AP) mode. Power on the extender. On your computer, go to the network settings and select the network named RangeXT. Open a web browser and type IP address 192.168.7.234 in the address bar. You'll see the login screen. Type admin in the username field and click login. Once logged in, a new page will open. You'll see router repeater /AP options. Choose the AP option. Enter the required details, such as network name, SSID, and password. Tap Apply to save settings. The setup for the Range XTD in AP mode is now complete. Reboot the extender to apply the changes. After the reboot, you can connect your devices to the new SSID Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi password will be the same as the one on your router. You can manage the extender settings later by accessing the default IP from any computer connected to the Range XTD network. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Range XTD extender in access point mode and can now enjoy enhanced wireless coverage.
Thank you for watching.